Welcome to Tour the World, a 4K drone-based travel channel. In this and the next video, we'll take you to different places in Austria. In today's episode, we'll journey through the charming city of Graz. Exploring its historic landmarks, vibrant street life, unique indoor gardening initiatives, the awe-inspiring Herz-Jesu-Kirche church, iconic monuments, the Mur River, and the Graz Castle area. Plus, we'll finish with a stunning night view of the city, all captured from our beautiful 4K DJI drone. So let's begin. Graz, the second largest city in Austria and the capital of the state of Styria, is a place where history, modernity, and sustainability blend seamlessly. With a population of around 290,000 as of 2025, Graz has long served as a cultural and intellectual hub of Central Europe. The city's roots date back over 900 years, with its historic Old Town designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Flying over the city, you'll notice how exceptionally green and clean it is. Graz is known for its lush urban forests, well-maintained parks, and eco-friendly initiatives. The blend of red-roofed historic buildings and green spaces offers a picturesque balance that makes Graz both livable and visually stunning. This aerial view reveals the harmony between urban development and nature, an inspiration for modern cities around the world. Graz is also a leader in sustainable urban living, and indoor gardening is one of the city's emerging trends. Throughout Graz, community centers, apartment complexes, and even some shops have adopted vertical gardens, hydroponic systems, and balcony farming. These green oases are not only beautiful, but also promote self-sufficiency and healthy living. From our drone's view, you might not see these interior spaces in detail, but they are an integral part of what makes Graz both environmentally conscious and future-focused. Now, we arrive at one of the city's most iconic landmarks, the Herz-Jesu-Kirche, or the Church of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Built in the late 19th century, this magnificent neo-Gothic church features the third tallest church tower in Austria. From above, the intricate layout of its red brick structure and sharply pointed steeples can be fully appreciated. The architectural design, with its flying buttresses and stained glass windows, stands as a testament to the detail and devotion of its creators. As our drone circles this grand structure, the scale and symmetry are truly breathtaking. Graz is a city rich with history and monuments. From the elegant Schlossberg clock tower overlooking the city, to the double spiral staircase inside the burg, to various fountains, sculptures, and war memorials scattered throughout the city centre, every corner has a story to tell. These monuments reflect Graz's unique position at the crossroads of Central European culture, where Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque influences meet. Flowing gently through the city is the Mur River, a vital natural feature and a recreational hotspot. The riverbanks are lined with biking paths, walking trails, and floating cafes. Nearby stands the historic Graz Castle, or Grazer Burg. Which dates back to the 15th century. While the exterior may appear modest, the surrounding area is steeped in history and offers beautiful panoramic views of the city. From the air, this entire district unfolds like a living map of the past and present coexisting. As day turns to night, Graz transforms into a magical landscape of softly glowing rooftops and illuminated streets. Key buildings like the Kunsthaus Graz and the Schlossberg Tower shine with artistic lighting, while the reflections on the Mur River create a mesmerizing visual experience. The peaceful night ambience, captured in rich 4K resolution, highlights the charm and elegance of this Austrian gem from a new perspective. Thank you for joining us on this aerial journey through Graz. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tour the World. For more 4K drone explorations across Austria and beyond. In our next episode, we'll visit other beautiful places in Austria, so stay tuned and keep exploring the world from above.